Hi friends, in this video you will learn how to share location on Snapchat. If you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel for more informative videos. So let's start the video. Uh, First of all, you will simply open your Snapchat application. Here you will go to your uh, chats. So these are the chats which are on the Snapchat. So for sending the location, you need to open the chat which you want to send the location. So here we will tap on it, and here is a plus sign. You will simply tap on this plus sign. So now here is the current location option. You will simply tap on current location, or you can also share live location as well. So we will tap on current location. So the location has been pinned and send it to the friend you want to send this. So we will share the live location and we will tap on live. So here you can set the duration of your live location, and then so we will tap on 8 hours. So the live location has been sent to the friend you want to send the location. So this is the simple process of sending the location on Snapchat. So if you like the video, please subscribe the channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.